unique appearance. The shoebill gets its name from its massive shoe-shaped beak. This beak can be up to 9 inches long and 4 inches wide, making it one of the largest among all birds. The beak has sharp edges that help it catch and kill slippery prey like fish. Size and height. Shoebills are giant birds. They can grow between 3.5 to 5 feet tall, 110-120 meters, with a wingspan of up to 8 feet, 2.5 meters. Their size often surprises people because they look almost prehistoric. Living fossil. The shoebill is often called a living dinosaur because of its strange ancient look. Its slow movements, sharp gaze, and enormous beak give it a very prehistoric vibe. Habitat. These birds live in East Central Africa, especially in countries like Uganda, Zambia, Sudan, and Tanzania. They prefer freshwater swamps and marshes where fish and amphibians are easy to hunt. Silent hunters. Unlike many birds that fly around searching for food, the shoebill uses a special hunting style called stand and wait. It stands completely still for hours, waiting for prey to swim close, then strikes with lightning speed. Diet. Their favorite meal is the lungfish, but they also eat catfish, frogs, snakes, young turtles, and even baby crocodiles. Their sharp beak helps them cut and swallow large prey. Strange sound. Shoebills are usually very quiet, but they make a unique sound called bill clattering, which sounds like a machine gun. They use this sound to communicate, especially between parents and chicks. Slow but powerful. Even though they can fly, shoebills are not strong flyers. They prefer to walk slowly through marshes. Their calm, still nature makes them look a bit mysterious and intimidating, rare and endangered. The shoebill is considered vulnerable because of habitat loss and illegal wildlife trade. Scientists believe only around 5,000–8,000 shoebills remain in the wild. Symbol of patience. In many cultures, the shoebill represents patience, silence, and strength because it waits so calmly and strikes so powerfully.